Sinugad ng federal investigators ang bahay sa California ng state suspect sa White House correspondent shooting. Nagtrending din sa iba't ibang social media platforms ang bilis ng pagresponde ng Secret Service agents para iligtas si United States President Donald Trump palabas ng dinner hall. Si Net 25 correspondent Rosel Feria para sa balita.
Kinilala ng mga otoridad ang White House correspondent's dinner shooting suspect na si Cole Thomas Allen, 31 taong gulang na residente ng Torrance, California. Umaga ng Linggo nakitang sinusuyod ng federal agents ang bahay ni Allen para humanap ng motibo sa naturang pamamaril. Ayon sa mga opisyal, nagpaputok si Allen sa isang Secret Service agent na nagbabantay sa White House Correspondents Association dinner Sabado ng gabi sa Washington Hilton. Ayon kay U.S. Acting Attorney General Todd Blanche, malamang na ang target ng suspect ay si Pangulong Donald Trump at mga miyembro ng kanyang administrasyon. Makikitang inilikas ang Pangulo at sina State Secretary Marco Rubio at Health Secretary Robert F. Kennedy Jr. mula sa venue. Sinabi ni Washington Interim Police Chief Jeffrey Carroll, armado ang suspect ng shotgun, handgun at iba't ibang panaksak. Dinala si Allen sa ospital para suriin matapos arestuhin. Kasalukuyang inaalam ang malinaw na motibo ng naturang pamamaril. Samantala, samut-sari ang reaksyon ng mga nasa DC ukol sa insidente.
Well, first of all, I know that a lot of things have been happening recently, so I knew there was high tensions. But obviously, it's very weird and it's across the street from you. But I know a lot of people were saying it was a hoax. A lot of people, it seems both sides. Some people were happy that it happened, which is always disturbing to hear. But I don't know, it's more reinforcement. It's a scary time.
The shooting is terrible. I'm very sorry that the shooting happened. That kind of violence has no place in our society. It has no place in the District of Columbia.
Batay sa preliminary investigation, pinaniniwala ang naka-check-in sa hotel si Allen sa araw ng event. Ayon sa Pangulo, base sa manifestong natagpuan ng mga investigador, puno ang gunman ng galit.
Well, they have some pretty good information. He had a lot of hatred in his heart for quite a while. And I don't know if you've gotten it, just got released, the manifesto. He said a manifesto, can you believe it? And so he's got some big problems with the rest of his life.
Nakaschedule ang arraignment niya ngayong Lunes. Matapos ang insidente, sinabi ng Pangulo na bunsod ng pamamaril, lalong kailangan ng mas mahigpit na seguridad sa high-profile events. Itinulak niya na kailangan lalo na isang ligtas na ballroom para masiguro na protektado ang lahat. Rosel Feria, Washington DC para sa Mata ng Agila International, trusted, connected, on point.